Hola! So, have you ever wanted to just jump into a real Spanish conversation, but you felt like you were missing the words? Well, today, we're going to fix that. We are unlocking 4 incredibly simple but powerful questions that will have you speaking Spanish like today.
You know that feeling, right? You confidently say, hola, and then nothing. You're stuck. The real challenge isn't the greeting, it's what comes next. It's moving into that actual back and forth. Think of these phrases as your bridge from a simple hello to a real chat.
And you want to know the best part? This isn't about memorizing 100 different phrases. Nope. We are focusing on just 4. That is it. 4 essential questions that can honestly carry you through an entire day, from morning coffee to making plans for the evening. It's simple, it's practical, and you'll see it is so effective.
Okay, so let's start our journey beyond hola. This is where we lay the groundwork for real, everyday conversations. You ready? Vamos!
Let's set the scene. It's morning, you're grabbing a coffee, and you see a friend, or even just a friendly face. This right here is your first and most important entry point into any conversation. It all starts with this one. ¿Cómo estás? It just means, how are you? It's like the universal key that opens any conversational door, pretty much anywhere in the Spanish-speaking world.
And the response? Just as simple. When someone asks you, ¿Cómo estás?, a perfect, polite answer is, Estoy bien, gracias. I'm good, thanks. You see that? It creates his perfect little rhythm. You get a question, you give a simple, clear answer.
Now, you want to level up? Just sound less like a textbook and more like a real person? Just add this one little phrase. After you say, Estoy bien, gracias, you just toss in, ¿Y tú? And you? It's such a small thing, but it's a total game changer. It passes the conversational ball right back to them and keeps the chat going.
All right, morning greeting is done. Nailed it. Now, as we get into the middle of the day, conversations tend to shift, right? People start talking about what they're doing and, of course, what they're eating.
So we've got 2 fantastic questions for this time of day. First, we'll check in on what their plans are. And second, we'll get into that one topic that connects absolutely everyone, food.
This brings us to our second key question. ¿Qué haces hoy? This means, what are you doing today? It is the perfect, casual way to catch up with a friend or a coworker and just, show that you're interested in their day.
And when they ask you, your answer can start with this super simple template, hoy voy a, which just means today I'm going to. The magic here is that you can plug in literally any activity you want.
For example, you could say, hoy voy a trabajar y luego al gimnasio, work and then to the gym. Or something a little more chill, like hoy voy a leer un libro, read a book. Or maybe hoy voy al cine, to the movies. The possibilities are endless, and you can just tailor it to whatever your day looks like.
All right, next up, our third question, and this one is a guaranteed hit. It's about food. ¿Qué quieres comer? What do you want to eat? Talking about food is one of the easiest and, let's be honest, most fun ways to connect with people.
And the response could not be easier. You just kick it off with quiero, which means I want. And from there, you just name whatever food you're craving.
This is also a fantastic chance to have a little fun with it. You could say, quiero una paella, por favor. Or, if you have a sweet tooth, maybe, quiero churros con chocolate. It's direct, it's simple, and it gets you that much closer to eating some amazing food. So, we've covered greetings, daily activities, and food. Now, as the day starts to wind down, let's talk about the future. How do you take a great conversation today and turn it into a plan to meet up again? Our fourth and final question is absolutely essential for your social life. ¿Cuándo nos vemos? This basically translates to, when are we meeting, or when will we see each other? It's so friendly, it's proactive, and it shows you want to connect again. And the answer, you guessed it, is just as straightforward. You start with nos vemos, meaning we'll see each other or we're meeting, and then you just add the time or day. So you could say, nos vemos mañana a las 6, tomorrow at 6. Or maybe, nos vemos el viernes, on Friday. Or even just a time, nos vemos a las 8, at 8. And just like that, you've locked in those plans. And there you have it. You've officially got a complete conversational starter pack.
These aren't just random phrases, they are your actual tools to navigate an entire day of interactions in Spanish.
So let's do a super fast recap. For greetings, ¿cómo estás? For daily chats, ¿qué haces hoy? When you're hungry, ¿qué quieres comer? And for making plans, ¿cuándo nos vemos? 4 questions, 4 answers. That's your key to starting real conversations.
So what does this all mean? It means you're ready. You have the tools, you have officially moved from just hola to being able to have a full conversation. The only thing left to do is to go out and use them. Your next Spanish conversation isn't some distant dream, it's right there waiting for you. The only real question is, what are you going to say first?